Y'all niggas is acting steady, keep slacking. That's okay, I pick up when you lacking. Don't let them catch you slipping. Better stay packing, cause you never know when it's gonna get to cracking. When I get to smacking, verbally blasting. You better lay down, I be spraying and laughing. Mocking the scene while you laying there bleeding. Said it was real life, you ain't believe me. Now you can't breathe and you screaming I'm evil. I just might be, and I bring with me legion. Breaking you down like an enzyme I'm feeding. Making you drink out the dog while I peed. And lucky for you I piss excellence. They been on my dick and ever since. They been trying to calm me, nigga, I'm an army. If you try to harm me, I got ghouls and goons that'll take it far. See, I ride, I see blood, I lust. Ain't a nigga I trust. They say Vader don't hurt on my bus. They say too much, I say just. Justified, I don't care crime, we can blame it on bad luck. Or maybe your life just sucks, boy.